Namaskar. India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing. In this weather briefing, we will first discuss the synoptic systems today and their forecast for next 5 days, and then we will come into the monsoon activity over the country during past 24 hours, and then we will see what is the weather warning for next 5 days. So first, let us look into the synoptic systems today. So today the monsoon trough is passing through Firozpur, Hisar, Delhi, and then it is passing through Fursatganj and Patna, and then from Patna it is going to Malda, and then it is northeastwards, it is going up to Arunachal Pradesh. And there is yesterday's low pressure area over northern parts of East MP has become less marked, and the remnant Sicer, which was associated with this low pressure area, today it is lying over northeast MP and adjoining areas of southeast UP. And this remnant Sicer is extending up to 4.5 kilometer above mean sea level. So, and one more thing is that this monsoon trough is extending up to 1.5 kilometer above mean sea level. And now, as we are seeing that yesterday, this monsoon trough was passing from through Bikaner, Jaipur, and the low pressure area. So today, if we see, it has come over to Firozpur, Hisar, and Delhi. So it has shifted northwards as per our forecast, India Meteorological Department's forecast. It has shifted northwards, and it is very likely to shift further northwards by tomorrow, and then it will by 10th of August it will be close to foothills of Himalayas. Although the eastern end has already shifted northwards, which was yesterday, which was up to northeast Bay of Bengal. So today we can see that it is going up to Arunachal Pradesh. So eastern end has already shifted northwards, and the western end is very likely to shift further northwards and run close to foothills of Himalayas. And this cyclonic circulation over northeast MP and adjoining areas of south UP, east UP, that is this is also going to become less marked by 10th of August. This is the satellite picture as of now, and we can see that with respect to this cyclonic circulation and the monsoon trough, which is extending up to 1.5 kilometer above mean sea level. So there are scattered patches of moderate to intense convection over Haryana, over Delhi, over North Haryana, and over East UP, and here over North Chhattisgarh, and just light convection over isolated parts of MP. And since the trough has shifted northwards towards the foothills eastern end of the trough, so the convection over GWB and Jharkhand areas have increased as the under the influence of slight strengthening of southwesterly winds. If we see into the observed rainfall during past 24 hours, then we can see that heavy to very heavy rainfall has been observed over coastal Karnataka, and heavy rainfall has been observed over Madhya Pradesh, East Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Kerala, Haryana, Punjab, South Interior Karnataka, West Bengal and Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and Yana. So main rainfall, heavy rainfall observing stations are your this Kannada district station Gokarna, which has observed 18 centimeter rainfall, Alipur Dwar of Gangetic, West Bengal, Singrauli of East Madhya Pradesh, Jalpaiguri of Sub-Himalayan West Bengal have observed 12 centimeter. And this Low Darga and Ranchi have observed 11 centimeter rainfall, and Burdwan and West Midnapur 10 centimeter of rainfall. Sonipat of Haryana and Patiala of Punjab have observed 7 centimeter rainfall, that is heavy rainfall. So according to this observed rainfall, and we can see that this is the rainfall distribution observed. So we can see here that widespread rainfall has been observed over Jharkhand, West Bengal, and Sikkim, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh, and West Madhya Pradesh, and also along the over the entire west coast, that is Konkan and Goa, coastal Karnataka, Kerala, Lakshadweep, and Andaman and Nicobar Island. And fairly widespread rainfall has been observed over these subdivisions, which are these deep blue subdivisions, which are Tamil Nadu, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, East Madhya Pradesh, East Rajasthan, West UP, and Himachal Pradesh. So accordingly, the monsoon activity has remained active over the monsoon has remained active over Jharkhand, West Bengal, and Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. That is 1.5 to 4 times normal rainfall has been observed over these four subdivisions, and it has remained normal over Assam and Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura, Bihar, and this Haryana, West UP, and Rajasthan, West MP, and this entire southern peninsula, Lakshadweep, and weak monsoon has been observed over rest parts of the country, Western Himalayan region, Punjab, and this entire northern peninsula, and Andaman and Nicobar Island. So if we look into this warning graphic for next 5 days, then we can see that over this Haryana and West UP region, and this East Rajasthan and uh, West Madhya Pradesh, these four subdivisions are likely to receive heavy rainfall today under the influence of the monsoon trough, which is extending up to 1.5 kilometer above mean sea level. And since the monsoon trough is tomorrow becoming moving further northwards, and the southwesterly winds feeding moisture into this monsoon trough are going to be westerly from tomorrow onwards. So this rainfall, heavy rainfall area over Haryana is going to be removed, and this there is just low probability of heavy rainfall over East Rajasthan, West UP, and West Madhya Pradesh tomorrow. And after tomorrow, this since that associated remnant sicer with this low pressure area would become less marked by 10th. So this heavy rainfall warning zone is being removed on 10th of August. So our next the warning zone would be our East UP, Bihar, and Gangetic West Bengal, which are likely to receive isolated heavy rainfall during next 5 days. Although on day three and day four, this activity would slightly reduce over Gangetic West Bengal and Jharkhand, but on day four and day five, it will further pick up. And similar is the case for Northeast India. Northeast India is also very likely to experience isolated heavy rainfall today, and tomorrow it is very likely to reduce slightly, and then again it will pick up from 10th of August, and heavy to very heavy rainfall likelihood is there from 10th of August onwards over this all three subdivisions of Northeast India. As far as northern peninsular India, that is Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana, and north interior Karnataka are concerned, there is no heavy rainfall warning zone over there for next 5 days. And over Gujarat also, just these areas will only be receiving light rainfall at just isolated to scattered places only, at just isolated to scattered places, and over the southern peninsular India, that is over coastal and South India Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu, this heavy rainfall, isolated heavy rainfall with the fairly widespread to widespread light to moderate uh, rain and thunder showers is very likely to continue during next 5 days. So overall, if we see that the monsoon is kind of entering into a break zone after 24 to 48 hours, and then entire country will be uh, experiencing a weak monsoon conditions, except this northeast India and adjoining East India, that is our West Bengal and Sikkim, Bihar, Jharkhand, and parts of that is Tarai region of East Uttar Pradesh. And also, as far as Himalayan region is concerned, so Uttarakhand would continue to receive isolated heavy rainfall with the scattered to fairly widespread light to moderate rainfall. Isolated heavy rainfall probability over Uttarakhand is likely during next 5 days, up to that is up to 12th of August. So this was all for today's daily weather briefing. We are on all our Mosam app, Damini app, and Meghdut app are on Android and iOS platforms, and our website. Please keep visiting mosam.imd.gov.in, and we are on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram as well. And our blog is imdweather1875.wordpress.com. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will again meet with daily weather briefing for weather warning during next 5 days. Thank you for watching.